15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you. Business credit is credit in a business name linked to the business's employment identification number. This is credit for a business. It's not linked to the owner personally. It's also not linked to their personal social security number. Using business credit, a business owner can get vendor credit cards, high-limit accounts with most major retailers, fleet credit, and cash credit, including Visa and MasterCard. Get approved for business credit accounts regardless of personal credit quality. When you build business credit the right way, there is no social security number supplied on the application. With no SSN supplied, there is no personal credit pool. Because of this, a business owner can get high-limit business credit accounts. This is regardless of personal credit, no matter how bad it may be. Personal credit quality does not matter. Reason number 7. Business credit protects personal assets if a business fails. Business owners don't expect to fail, but unfortunately, 90% do. It makes no sense to put a financial future in jeopardy when going in, there is a 90% possibility of ruining it. Many times, the reasons a business might fail have nothing to do with management. It can come from things that can't be controlled, such as shifts in the economy. Personal guarantees are risky. Without a doubt, starting and running a business is risky. This is why most conventional banks make it so hard to get a loan. So don't use a personal guarantee unless absolutely necessary. With many business loans, you must, but with credit, it's unnecessary as long as you build business credit. Let's recap. There are a lot of reasons business credit can help any business. It's independent of personal credit, so using it doesn't affect utilization rate. It can be built quickly. Since anyone can see business credit reports, building business credit bolsters your reputation with suppliers, customers, and even competitors. Business credit protects your personal assets and doesn't require personal guarantees. Business credit increases the value of a business, and it determines loan approval and quality. It effectively doubles your borrowing ability and has very high limits. Even startups can get it with no financials or collateral. It is a huge competitive advantage and is the best way to fund a business. Big established companies use it. Why shouldn't you? Build business credit before you really need it, and it can only help you. Contact us today to learn more about 15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company and how not having it will cost you.